That is a video about a crime committed by a lady in a village. Say this is a village in Tamil Nadu where people are having self-help group accounts. They were having their accounts and they were repaying the dues. After all the dues have been repaid, this one lady who was instrumental initially in helping them getting loan persuaded them to avail again loan from the bank and give that money to her so that she can construct a house. Not only that, she has taken gold jewels from them also. She has taken gold jewels from them and also used that for construction of houses, and she has not repaid the loans. Now, what is the effect of that? Because she has not repaid the loan, the bank people have started coming and asking the bank, these ladies to repay the loans. Many of these illiterate women, they have borrowed money from the bank and given it to this lady for construction of for her house, and without probably the knowledge of their husbands also. Now the situation is bank people are asking them to pay the dues. Now the husbands, once they come to know of it, they are scolding these ladies, and some of them are sending them out of their houses also, some such local problems. Here, I wanted to show this for FCCS people. This is one of the ways by which crimes are committed. Somebody making others believe them and borrow money in the name of the second person and using that funds. The same thing can be done by bank employees also. So as people in charge of FCCs, when you go through the records, you must try to find out whether there are any discrepancies like this also. This one is not a very common one. It's a very rare one. So many people agreeing to give money to another person, borrowing money from the bank. I have come across first time like this. That is why I showed this to you. Prajakta, could you follow now?
The whole thing.
No, could you understand what is the message about?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Can you tell me what is that message? आप मराठी में बोलिए और हिंदी में बोलिए.
मतलब लोन लेने से पहले हम पूरी जांच पड़ताल करना जरूरी है.
बोलिए. Haribala, could you understand what I was telling in English?
Sir, yes, sir.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
What is that story about?
Sir, it is about a self-help group. Sir.
Okay.
Initially, the self-help group got loan from bank and they have repaid it.
Very good.
And once again, the member who helped to get the loan retaken the loan and she built her own house.
Okay.
And bank forced the members to repay the loan again.
So what is the fraud here?
The person who got loan second time used that amount for her own purpose.
No, but you are not told clearly. What you said initially was correct. One lady was responsible for so many self-help group members getting loan from the bank. Initially,
Yes,
they were given loan, they borrowed the money, they repaid the loan. Subsequently, this instrumental lady, she persuaded them to again avail loan from the bank in their own names, A, B, C, D, E, F, and
Yes, sir.
give that money to the influential lady so that she can construct a house of her own. So these women, illiterate women, even without telling their husbands, have borrowed and given money to them. Not only that, this lady has taken a lot of jewels from some of the people also, and stating she will return it. And she has repaid loan for 1 or 2 months. Subsequently, she has not repaid. Now, bank people are approaching these individual women for repaying the
Yes, sir.
loan. So this is what it is. Prajakta, अभी समझा आपको?
यस सर, बैंक को अच्छे से इंक्वायरी करनी चाहिए थी। वो लेडी एमएसएमई के नाम पर या सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के नाम पर लोन ले रही थी, लेकिन पहले उसने दिया होगा, लेकिन बाद में उसने अपने खुद के पर्पस के लिए वो मनी सारा यूज किया।
Correct. So the bank people, they cannot say no. They cannot say no to these people. At the same time, they should caution them. Look, you should not give money to somebody else, and later on you cannot disown responsibility. Now, those people who have taken loan in their own names, they are responsible. They cannot say no. It is, see here, it is a genuine case where the self-help group women borrowed, they gave money to another lady. But if this is allowed to go on, then others may create an imaginary situation also, as if they have given the money to somebody else and they are not responsible. So bank cannot agree for this. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. That is right. Now let us come to FCCS. Always very, very important question. Please tell us about Federal Bank. What do you know about Federal Bank? Please tell us. Now, who would like to try? Come on. Anybody can start. Mangesh
Sir,
Bala.
sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector bank, headquartered in Alua. Bank has around 1,355 branches and almost 1,900 ATM machines. They have in across India. They it has also representative office at foreign and in IFC Gift City, Gujarat. Um, it was established in 1931.
What happened?
To recall.
What happened, Prajakta? Your internet got disconnected? Prajakta, your internet got disconnected, na kya? Suddenly, I could not hear your voice. Prajakta, I think our internet is not all right. Now, yeah. Haribala, can you tell about Federal Bank?
Sir, yes, sir. Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector.
Why there is so much of disturbance from your side? Haribala, why there is so much noise? What are you doing? Are
Sir,
you
actually,
why this problem?
sir, I am in outside, sir. In 2 minutes, I will go to.
You are away, so that's why this noise is coming. Okay, you go home. I will ask you
Okay.
afterwards. Aditya Deshpande, please tell me about Federal Bank.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I was disconnected.
Why
My
it is
connection.
happening? Where are you? Where are you? They're staying, Prajakta.
So let her continue. After her
Yeah.
completion, I will continue, sir.
Yeah,
No issues.
Prajakta, where are you staying? Prajakta, again disconnected. Prajakta. Okay, she is not able to talk. Aditya Deshpande.
I am telling you.
Yeah, you want to talk, Mangesh?
Yes, sir.
Mangesh, speak. Mangesh,
Yes,
again,
sir. Yes, sir.
for you also lot of cycle noise is coming. Are you staying outside your house or on the street?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Huh? Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Why are you on the street? क्यों स्ट्रीट में पड़ा हुआ है? अब तो घर का अंदर में जाइएगा, आप टेरेस में जाइए ना. Sit in a place where there is not this much of disturbance. Yes, Aditya Deshpande, speak.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all. Federal Bank. Federal Bank is uh, Federal Bank is in a banking service from 23rd April 1931. It started in Kerala, and now currently it has a various loan products, then different financial products like housing loans, insurance, and other things. Currently, Federal Bank is having more than 1,200 branches across the India.
Wrong.
And
why are you telling us totally wrong figure?
Sorry, sir, 1,272, sir.
1355.
Okay, sir. But on their website, sir, it is like more than 1,200, and LinkedIn also. That's why I think.
No,
like,
no, LinkedIn nahi hai. Don't believe LinkedIn. You go through what I have given in the folder. एक पेपर दिया ना आपको important
Okay.
figure as on 31/3/2023 उसको पढ़ना है.
Okay, sir, sure.
अब बाद में आप बोलिए आपको प्रिपरेशन ठीक नहीं है. ये अपने कब से ज्वाइन किया हमारा ग्रुप बताओ?
Sir, Monday से, sir.
Monday, that is 2-3 days. खाली
Yeah, yeah.
खाली एक क्वेश्चन को भी आपने प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाया. अबाउट फेडरल बैंक ये तो जरूर क्वेश्चन है. अबाउट योरसेल्फ जरूर क्वेश्चन है.
Sure, sir.
अबाउट FCCS जरूर क्वेश्चन है. Then
Yes, sir.
फ्यूचर ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ FCCS जरूर क्वेश्चन है. ये सबको तो प्रिपेयर करके हम लोग रखना है.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir. I will do.
Now let me ask that a PO candidate. Who is that PO candidate? PO Mangesh Ole? PO
Sir, yes, sir. Yes.
Mangesh Ole, you are only appearing for probationary officer, na? I think today is something wrong. I don't know in my side or your side, but totally almost all the connections are not coming properly. Nobody is able to talk. Why? Huh? Aditya, sorry, Renta Thomas, can you speak about Federal Bank?
Hi, sir.
Yes.
So Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector bank headquartered in Alua, Kochi. Bank has around 1,355 branches and 1,940 ATMs or recycles spread across different states in India. It has also a representative offices in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and IFSC banking unit in Gujarat International Finance Tech City. It was established on 1931. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank. It has a net profit of 903 crore quarterly and 3010 crore annually. Federal Bank is the only commercial bank to be recognized by Great Place to Work, and it has also recognized as Excellence in Mobile Banking, Digital Sales and Engagement, Best FinTech Partnership or Startup Alliance Initiative for the year for Gold Loan. It has a GNPA of 2.36% and an NPA of 0.69%, and it has an equity capital of 423 CR and CRAR of 14.81%.
Good. You see, Prajakta, Haribala, Aditya, Mangesh, you see how nicely was she able to communicate clearly. But even she has not covered it fully. She has not been able to tell about the deposit products, loan products, and digital products. Then corporate social responsibility. These points she has not told, doesn't matter, but her communication was effective, was clear. Aditya Deshpande, can you try now? You should not be making when you are talking. If you do like that, they will not select you. Let me assure you. They will not select you if you are going to do etc. You should talk with confidence, similar to what Rinta Thomas did. Rinta Thomas has been able to talk well, probably because she studied in English medium and she was also believing in communicating in English previously also. That is what has helped her. Now, Aditya Deshpande, you have 2-3 days time before you. Please start practicing talking in English, thinking in English. Please, come on.
Yes, sir.
Come on, speak.
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ?
हाँ सर, स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
अरे भाई, स्टार्ट करने के लिए तो 5 मिनट लगता है. बोलो.
No, sir.
इतना देरी करने से तो फेडरल बैंक चला जाएगा फटाफट. It will run away very quickly.
Yes, sir.
They will give you only 10 minutes time. इस 10 मिनट का अंदर में अपने पॉजिटिव इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Federal Bank is an Indian private sector bank which is headquartered at Kochi, Kerala, and it has more than 300 branches overall the India. Also, it represents into Gulf countries like Dubai, Kuwait, etc. And Federal Banks offers different services to their customers. Their portfolio is SME and agri loans, then corporate finance, trade finance, personal loan like PVs and gold loans. Also, they offered the credit cards and payment solution like digital banking is also there, one of core solution for banking services, and different types of accounts and deposits like saving accounts, fixed deposit, recurring accounts are there. They have 40% women in their organization, and total number of their employees 592. Thank you.
Oh, which is 592?
Huh?
What did you say? Last point?
Total number of employees 12,592.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. Why did you not talk about the business position of Federal Bank? Total deposit कितना है, total advance कितना है, total profit कितना है, quarterly profit क्या है, what is the yearly profit, and what is GNPA percentage, NNPA percentage, ये सब भी बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
आपने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया पूरा? प्रिपेयर which
नहीं
date?
सर, अभी उतना नहीं है, मतलब like I was somewhere out, and due to some family issues, I was unable to focus on the preparation. But like from today onwards, I will definitely cover my all parts, sir.
Which date?
In which year I am ready.
Which date you have interview?
7th of June, sir, at Mumbai, 1:30 baje.
Very good. No problem. I will not force you. Ashinar. 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 Ashinar, your internet is not all right. Oh, very bad. Nobody can speak. Yeah. Ashinar.
I am tell you, sir.
Ashinar, are you able to hear me? Ashinar, are you able to hear me? I think there is no internet connection now. Should I stop the class? You people are not participating actively. कोई participate नहीं करते हैं. कोई तो किसी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mangesh, बोलो.
Sir, I tell you, sir, about the federal bank.
Pardon? I think I should stop this class because nobody is studying. None of you are interested in preparing for this. What have you studied about Federal Bank, which is a very important question? Okay, tell me about yourself. This question you answer. Tell me about yourself. Who can answer? Please raise your hand. Those who want to answer, please raise your hand. Please tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Please raise your hand.
Sir.
Yeah, Aditya, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Hello, I am Aditya Madhav Deshpande. I am from Indapur district, Pune, Maharashtra. I completed my BSc Agriculture from College of Agriculture, Dhule. Then I shifted my career to Indian Institute of Plantation Management, Bangalore, for the course of Agribusiness and Plantation Management in my institute, where I completed this full-time course at 2021, and I started my career in Policy Advocacy Research Center, where I worked on biostimulants, farm laws, and agriculture value chain. Specifically, I worked on farmer producer organization and millets in Palghar district of Maharashtra. Then I got an opportunity in a government project, which was under the DBT. DBT says like we can say DBT means Department of Biotechnology, where I was working on Sohang fruit. It is undervalued fruit from Meghalaya, and for creating market value chain and marketing penetration strategies, I was working for this project for 6 months. But due to some financial issues and family reasons, I come back to Maharashtra and I joined Mordor Intelligence, where I was working for 9 months.
Yes, next is we will go to Prajakta. Please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Prajakta Namdev Shirsat. I am from Rauri, a subdivision of district Ahmednagar, state Maharashtra. I have done my BSc in physics from ESC College Rauri. In my family, there is 4 members: my parents, my younger brother, and me. My father owns a TV repairing shop, and my younger brother helps them in their work, and mother is a housewife. My current goal is to start my career in good organization and help my father financially, and my long term goal is to attain the best position or a senior position in my work of area. My hobbies are helping animals and planting trees and communicate with new people. And my strengths are I'm good at communication, enthusiastic, and ability to work efficiently. Thank you.
Oh, you are that girl who used to say that I feed stray dogs, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, I wanted you to avoid stray dogs. Then you
Yes,
made
sir.
it as animals. But then
Yes, sir.
this answer is vague. Animals means what? What is the assistance you are giving for animals? Again, you will come to stray dogs only.
Actually, sir, actually, in
Bolo.
real practically, I help cat and dogs because
Then
there are
Then tell about cats, cats and
yes,
dogs
sir.
also you tell, no
Hello.
problem. But try to
Yes.
underplay that. Don't overemphasize on that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Absolutely no issue. You talk nicely. Your English is good. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then Ashinar, you wanted to speak something more?
Sir, sorry, but suddenly, I think
I,
I, I was on mute or something disconnected. I will
I,
continue later, sir.
I,
Aditya.
I don't
You
know.
stop at I was coming to Maharashtra something.
Pardon? You have to start from Maharashtra. I came to Maharashtra.
You came to
Yeah.
Maharashtra, there you stop.
From there,
Yeah.
start karo. Start karo.
Yeah. I worked for 9 months as a research associate in Mordor Intelligence, and then I got an opportunity to lead one startup. So I was working in a startup for mango value chain, then millet trading, and other agriculture consulting division where I was working on these things. So thank you, like that.
See, when you speak like this, these things, etc., आपको valuation कम हो जाएगा. These things
Okay.
why you are telling, because you are not having anything in mind and you are not clear about speaking. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. थोड़ा अच्छा से prepare करना है. You have to prepare yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the point I wanted to stress you. We should not use ambiguous words. Yeah. We will go to Haribala. Haribala, tell me about yourself.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
First of all, I thank this opportunity and myself, Hari Balaji, completed a master's in agricultural extension with a OGP of 92% and Bachelor of Science in Agriculture with a OGP of 88%.
Haribala, you are not told you are from which state, which district. Nothing have you told. You are not told which college did you study. That also you are not told. Come on, start correctly.
Yes, sir. And myself, Hari Balaji, from Trichy district in Tamil Nadu. I have currently pursuing my master's degree in agricultural extension and rural sociology from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. And I have completed my Bachelor's of Science in Agriculture in the same Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. I am a complete finisher and someone who can be relied upon to get a job on time and to great standard. I am reliable, flexible, and adaptable, and I will carry about tasks outside the job description.
Haribala.
Sir.
Have you started reading materials given to you or not? Or you are busy with your regular work? No,
Sir,
if you think you can get success by paying money to me, by coming to class for half an hour, that is totally wrong. It is not going to be possible for you to get success unless, apart from this class, you read, you practice at home. Hari
Okay, sir.
Bala. What is your father?
So my father is a teacher.
Agriculturist. Acha.
Teacher,
What is
sir.
teacher? Acha, acha. Father is a
Okay.
teacher. Good. Mother?
Teacher, sir.
Mother is also a teacher. Good.
Teacher.
Now, what is the project you are now doing now?
Sir, I am now second year master's degree, sir.
I know. What is the project work you are doing? No project?
No, sir, no project.
No projects. First year there was a project? No.
The first year also no project, sir. Second year research work, sir.
Research work. That is what is
Okay.
project. That is what is project. You should tell about
Okay,
it.
sir.
What is the research you are doing? Tell us.
Sir, impact study of open and distance learning offered by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University.
So what is the learning you got out of it? What is your understanding?
Sir, in Tamil Nadu, most of the students has facing the problems like financial constraints while they are in school, sir. So they have dropped out from school education. Distance education is one of the opportunity to continue their education with less amount of financial expenses.
Not bad. Anyhow, I'll come to you later. Now,
Okay.
Rinta Thomas, now we will go to the next question. What do you know about Fccs program? Those who have got interview, anybody has got interview on 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th? I think it starts only on 6th, na?
Sir, I have interview on 2nd.
Acha. Rinta,
Yes, sir.
please tell me about Fccs program.
Okay, sir. Financial Crime Compliance Specialist is an integrated program introduced by Federal Bank in partnership with Manipal Global Education Services. It is a blend of 24 months paid fixed term employment with a digital mode of learning. The learning curriculum has been designed to keep the participants relevant with domain knowledge while experiencing compliance, risk, and audit functions. The program comprises of 5 phases. The first 4 phases, that is of 52 weeks, will be consist of induction classes, on-the-job training, and weekend classes. And later 52 weeks will be of on-the-job training.
Okay. So what do you think is the speciality of this program? In what way is this program more beneficial for you?
Okay, by attending this program, I will be able to know more about the a job or a role handled by a financial crime specialist, like undertaking anti-money laundering activities, investigating due diligence, and a regular prompt regular reporting to the superiors, conducting internal reviews and risk assessment like yours.
This answer is not very clear, but I will take from Prajakta. Prajakta, can you tell me what is the speciality of this program? You have to find your own answer for this. There is no definite answer. Prajakta?
Yes, sir. Just this program is different from others because in this it is a financial crime compliance. Sorry, sir, I'm not prepared for this.
See, this program is unique in one way that you learn and also earn.
Yeah.
You get both campus training and on-the-job training. And if your performance is good, you will be absorbed in the bank services. Correct? This is, I mean, that's what I feel is one way of telling. Maybe this is the correct or not correct, but this is how you have to tell. The idea is to make you talk in English. That is the idea, nothing else. Okay. Now I think it was Rinta Thomas because she has got interview tomorrow. Rinta Thomas,
Yes, sir.
are you remembering any recent news reports you have read in the last 2-3 days? Please prepare for this question if you are not prepared. Mostly
Okay,
they
sir.
may not ask, but still go through and find out about what is the news about Kerala, more especially Kerala and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But don't tell about that wrestling problem and all that. Don't tell negative
Okay, sir.
points. Don't speak about that. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Very good. Rinta Thomas. Good. Now, next question I should ask is, what do you know about Reserve Bank of India? Who can answer this? Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell. Please tell.
The establishment of the Federal Bank.
Mangesh, you keep your mic slightly away from your mouth because it is jarring. बहुत
Now
sound
clear?
बहुत ज्यादा आता है, थोड़ा दूर में रखिएगा, दूर में रख के थोड़ा. अच्छा.
Now clear, sir?
अगेन आप रास्ता में है, यही प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, बात करो.
The Reserve Bank of establishment 1 April 1935 and Act of 1934. The nationalized of the Reserve Bank of India 1 January 1949 and Committee of the Hilton Committee. And RBI is the various function. RBI is the first function of the currency issues, monetary policy, and also provide of the funding of the bank, a clearing house, credit control, like say that, sir.
See, actually, you talked for only 7 sentences, out of which 3 sentences you were talking about history. ऐसा नहीं करना है. You just tell Reserve Bank of India was started in the year 1935. Shakti Kanta Das is the governor. RBI
Yes,
is
sir.
bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and controller of monetary policy authority, regulating the inflation. Something like that. Briefly बताने से हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I know, see.
You told, but still it is okay. Not bad. Not
Yes,
bad.
sir.
You told that. Now, who can answer me question on what is difference between NBFC and banking company? Come on.
Sir, can I try?
Yeah, please try.
The NBFCs are the financial institutions that provide various financial services and products, including loan, insurance, and asset management. Even though they do not have a banking license and they don't have the authority to accept deposits, but bank have the authority to accept deposits and along with the financial services and products provided by the NBFCs.
No, but your answer is wrong in that you said NBFC cannot take deposits. The answer is partially right, partially wrong. You have to say NBFCs are not permitted to take demand deposits. They can take only time deposits. Many of them don't take. If they take only time deposits, fixed deposits. Like that, you should tell specifically. And NBFCs are registered under Companies Act. Banking companies are registered under Banking Regulation Act 1949. The deposits in banks are guaranteed by DICGC up to 5 lakhs. The deposits with the time deposits with the NBFCs are not guaranteed by DICGC. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Otherwise, The answer was okay. Very nice. Thank you. Now I will stop this class and continue with the interview. 1 minute. Hold on. Aparna has come. Aparna is the candidate who has got interview. Now I will conduct interview.